Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at TechTrader.com. It's Wednesday, December the 13th. These are the charts of the day. What a wonderful rally on Wall Street post FOMC announcement that they weren't going to raise interest rates. It looks like they're going to finally, interest rates increases may have finally peaked, and we'll look forward next year to perhaps some cuts. Market liked that, and it ripped. NASDAQ up nearly 40%. The NASDAQ 100 is nearly 40% higher for the year now. Let's start with looking at Aaoi, which has continued in a beautiful uptrend since it bottomed in the pullback in October around the 666 area. It's tripled since then, now trading at 2170. Today's gain 312, almost 17%, 5.6 million traded. That's the biggest volume on an up day we've seen in months, perhaps back to August. So this should be or could be accelerating in here, looking for mid-20s for starters. ACAD with a big explosive pop today, jumped from under 21 to almost 29, netted at 2801 up 6. $684, 32% gain today on volume of 14. Looking for an extension to the tech trader swing, 4% today on targets 40, and it appears to be coming, taking it from only a buck and change to over 6 today, finishing at 564. Don't know if momentum is going to carry this any further. The next target zone will be up around 8, but it is extremely overbought short term. CHSN, big move today as they announced the expansion in their coffee shops. And the stock, which has gone from a low of 142 just a week ago, say 2 weeks ago, has now ripped to from 114 to 1865. Extremely overbought as well, but very strong momentum. Don't know how far they can take this one. Carvana popped out of a week and a half long consolidation flag after breaking out of a base and holding support. Now looking for at least a minimum test of about the 49 range, and then maybe 53, 49, 53, and even 57, all targets now. Denali, coming through a declining tops line through moving averages and lateral price resistance. This one popped $1.95 or 10% today, and $1.5 million, which is solid volume for that stock. Now your resistance and target is 22.5. We get through that, looking at 24. IOVA tech trader swing continues to press. Today popped another 80 cents or 12.5%. A solid 11 million share volume with OBV rising. The stock looks like it wants to go higher. At this point, I'm looking for a test of 790 and then 9. In the Bitcoin realm, Mara continues to press today after pulling back for a couple of days and snapped back from 1448 to 1709. Finished 1698 up 209 or 14%. It's at 17 right now after hours. Solid move. 20 is your next target. Peri broke out of a V bottom with a right-hand extended platform yesterday, and today followed through beautifully, up nearly 3 points or 10% on an acquisition. 34 and 36.5 targets. PLAB broke out of an inverse head and shoulder type base, spiking up from 2190 to 2650, finishing in 2624, up with 461 or 21%. Now, if we can get through this, the July high is up around 27. I would look for a move towards 29. Sunrun with solar stocks recovering today after breaking out of a base and retesting the breakout point and the gap. It's spiked up from 1220 to 1499, finished 1491 up 241 or 19%. Mine was solid at almost 19 million. I'm now looking for a test short term, 15.5, 16 range, and then 18, 18.5. Rhythm, well, one of our favorite pharmaceutical biotech stocks in the last year, recently from the October low of 21 and change. This stock is now nearly doubled. Well, it did double to 43.38, finishing 41.64 up, a small fraction today. But positive action, an extension could take it at high 40s. Scholar Rock jumped to 97 cents or 5%, adding to its recent gains. You can see it's at the top of the channel and target, and this is the tech trader swing. STTK exploded today on monster volume of 73 million shares, finishing 462.3 up 252 or 120%. Extension, if it does have one, 9.5. TAL in the educational Chinese area looks to me like a $14 stock coming up. Nice chart. UPST, tech traded swing, popped out of a 4 or 5 day consolidation flag, jumped 735 or 21% on 25 million shares. My next target, 52. VZIO was put on as a swing today, as it looks like it's coming through multiple tops and could run towards 9. And finally, U.S. Steel, with rumors accelerating about takeovers and bids, took a spike up from 36.12 to 38.68, 2.5 points, finishing up 216, or about 6% on 25.7 million. That's the biggest volume we've seen since back here in August, telling me something's up. I'm still looking for a takeover above 40, maybe 42, 44 range. That's my take, and we shall see. That's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening.